Hello dear students, today we are going to study a chapter Walls Tell Stories. In this chapter we will learn and speak about the glory of Golconda Fort. We will understand and develop sense of respect for historical monuments, and we will also know about importance of museum. Golconda Fort is situated in Hyderabad in Telangana. There are various features of Golconda Fort. Some of them are mentioned here. This fort is huge and built at a height. It has a huge and heavy gate with sharp iron spokes. Qutub Shahi Sultans ruled here one after another from 1518 to 1687. In 1200, this fort was made of mud and different rulers lived here. This fort is very huge, built at a very great height. It has very huge gate which is very heavy. It has sharp iron spokes with very thick walls. Here we can see the huge gate of Golconda Fort. Bastions. A part of the wall comes out in a round shape are called bastions. The outer wall of this fort has 87 bastions. Bastions were made at a great height so that soldiers could get a large viewing area. Beautiful carvings were made on the wall of Golconda Fort. Chisel and hammer made up of iron would have been used for fine carving. Garden, factory, field were there inside the Golconda Fort. Here we can see the map of Golconda Fort. The Sultan's Palace. In those days they used to have buildings with 2 floors. Now the building is in ruins. Earlier there were many big halls and rooms here. This is the picture of a cannon. Cannon is a big gun made up of bronze. Aurangzeb along with his full army came with their guns and cannons to attack, but they could not even enter the fort. For 8 months they camped outside the fort. It is due to strong thick walls, a long deep ditch along the wall and 87 bastions. Arrangement for water. The drum attached to the rod moves when the bullocks move. Due to the movement drum, the toothed wheel moves. Here this is the picture of toothed wheel. Pole shown under the ground joins with another wheel which has a number of pots on it. This garland of pots lift water from the well. Here you can see in this picture the garland of the pots are going down, filling water and coming up, and this way they lift the water from the well. Clay pipes. Clay pipes in the walls of the fort would have been used to carry water to different places in the palace. Museum. Here you can see pictures of objects which are recovered during debris clearance at Golconda Fort. Many old items are kept there. Many things were found when the place around Golconda was dug, like pots, jewelry, swords, etc. So, museum is a place where we keep old items. Thank you and have a nice day.